Hi guys, so in the previous videos we have seen the details about Google Classroom for teachers, and in this video we can see the detail about Google Classroom for students. So for the students to get login or to use the classroom, they should have a Gmail ID. So as usual, so they have to log into the Gmail ID, and in the Gmail or the Google apps they will be having the classroom. On clicking the classroom, they will be getting a dashboard like this. So in order to take part in the classroom, the student has to join in the class. So in order to join the class, they should have a class code which has been given to them from the teacher. So here we can get the classroom code from the classroom which has been already created. We can just copy it and place it in the class code, and if this class code is correct, the student will be able to enter the classroom. So this is a dashboard of the classroom for the student. So here you have three tabs set to be stream, classwork and people. So in the stream, the student will be able to find out the post with regard to the classroom or with regard to the subject of that particular class. So in the classwork, he or she can view his work. So here you have class drive folder, Google Calendar, and the option for viewing his own work. So class drive folder is the folder which has been created by the teacher in his or her Google Drive, where all the documents will be getting saved. Google Calendar is also a calendar which is created by the staff, where the events of this particular classroom will be getting triggered or it will be getting posted up. Okay, right. So here the work which are being assigned to the student will be available here. So here the student can take his own work and he can present it to the teacher. So here we have an e-assignment which is being given by the teacher to the class. So here we can see how to submit a assignment which has been given to the student. So here you can see the question is been provided and the conditions is being provided, and here a link is being provided for the reference. So the student can refer the contents in this particular link or under this topic, and he has to present his or his own idea about this topic in the assigned area. So here you have an Google document where the student has to enter the answers. Okay, so here the student has to enter the answer. So here we can give a number, register number, and here you have to provide the name. Okay, so below this you have to provide the answers to the staff. Okay, right. So here you can see three sections. So explanation, diagrams, algorithm, flowchart and pseudocode. So these are the subsections of this assignment. For each sections the marks are being allotted. Okay, for explanation 3 marks, diagram 3 marks, algorithms, flowchart and pseudocode, it is 4 marks. Here you can see a button set to be turn in, that is the student can enter the answers in the document and then he can turn in. So the turn in means turning this particular document to the submission process. That is, in simple, it's nothing but submitting the assignment to the staff. And here you have a private comment. So here you can type the comments, or if you need to ask something to your teacher, you can directly ask it to your teacher through this private comments. Okay, right. So here we can present the answer. Here I have given my answers, register number, name, and followed by the answer. Okay, so once the student enters his answer, he can submit the answers. Once if he find everything is okay, he can submit the answers by clicking the turn in button. So I am clicking turn in. So now it is going to the submission process. Again it is confirming whether to submit it or not. So I am clicking this turn in. So I am confirming that it can submit the answers. Okay, so once you submit, so you can see turned in and your work is being submitted there. Okay, so now we can go to the class and you can see your work. And here you can see the status changed to turned in. Okay, so here you can click the view assignment and you can view here. So once the staff assigns the grades, also you will be able to see the grades here. So here you can see a class comment. So here whatever comment you typed can be seen by all the members of the classroom. And here in the private command, if you are sending any comments, it can be only seen by the teacher of that particular classroom. Okay, so this is how a student can access the classroom and can submit his assignment. Thank you.